Hey there, guys, how's it going? And today, what we're going to be talking about is the Puzzle on the Go Marvel Spider Man. Yeah. So, I have always been a Marvel fan. I mean, what boy isn't, right? I mean, I grew up on Spider Man and all kind of different characters for Marvel. And I am instilling all of that in my children. So, Spider Man is my all time favorite. And I like these puzzles because it's something that I can do with my kids, especially my sons. And my son is going to be 6, and he is a Spider-Man fan also, and he likes puzzles. So this is something we can do together. I always have been an advocate of puzzles in general because of, when it comes to the aspect of children's learning, because it really teaches them in a kind of a basic type of way on just thinking and figuring things out, and like going for a reward at the end, meaning they have a common goal that they know they have to get to, and they have to actually figure out how to get there by investigation and putting clues together and ultimately having the entire puzzle put together, and showing that picture all at the end. And there's just a big satisfactory feeling of when you complete a puzzle and you did it and it took a while, and I've always been an advocate of that. So I play with these with my children as often as I can, and my son loves it. He will come running into the room and he will say, "Daddy, let's put together this puzzle. Come on, help me. Let's do it." And together we will sit down and do this. This is a really good thing. Now, before, the puzzles were all just very big, in boxes. And you can get the little baby ones with about maybe 10 to 12 pieces or something, but he's way beyond that now. So I like this puzzle on the go idea because it is 48 pieces, and it's just enough to get like a cool picture, and it's of characters that little boys like, and it's just really good. And this one is, like I said, 48 pieces, very colorful pictures on there. And there's a bunch of different kinds of these puzzles on the go. I just picked the Spider-Man one, but there's a lot of different ones. It's a really good idea by Marvel. And it's for age 6 and up. In my opinion, kids can use this at 5 also, because my son has done it and had a blast. So yeah, we'll sit down and use this, and it'll take us a little while. And what I do is I let him figure out how to get all the general pieces, like all the sides and everything together, and all the corners and the edges and all that stuff, to get it all going. And he knows the pattern on how to figure out puzzles now. So it's all educational in the end. Puzzles are a really good way to educate and make children think, It's really good. I've always been an advocate of that, and I'm glad that Marvel has a stance here and said, "Hey, let's do something for little kids." They love our pictures, they love our artwork. Let's give them something to put together that they can be proud of, and that's not too easy. The puzzle pieces are about this big, you see? Yeah, each one is about that size. So they're not too small. They're not quite jigsaw puzzles size, but they're getting there. Yeah, but they're pretty large for the age, And like I said, there's 48 pieces, and my kids love them. Yeah, they're really good. We have several different kinds. This is the Spider-Man one, and they have a ball doing it. And we'll take it apart and do it again, and take it apart and then do it again. Not in the same day, but we'll make sure we keep all the pieces. This bag is kind of like a Ziploc. You can, put all the pieces in here and zip it closed like that, and preserve all your pieces and just keep it nice, and just put it away when you're gonna have another great time with your kids. All right. Well, that is a really good idea by Marvel, and I'm glad they did it. They are really a good company to think about it like that. All right. This is the Puzzle on the Go Marvel Spider-Man. Yeah. Hope you guys use this information, and I'll talk to you again soon. All right. Bye-bye.